Hello. Today I will show what I do with cucumbers at such an early stage of growth in order to get an early harvest and rapid growth of cucumber vines. The procedure is quite simple, and if you watch and listen carefully, then from this year you will always have early and plentiful harvests just like me. And if you have any questions, be sure to ask in the comments. I will answer everything. And we will talk about the formation of cucumbers. There are a lot of articles and videos on the internet that tell you to remove the fruits and suckers in the first 5 internodes. Someone says that nothing needs to be deleted, and an ordinary gardener sits and puzzles. So what to do, how to do it right? Now I will tell you everything from personal experience. And in support of my words, I immediately offer you a few photos from last year's harvest. I formed them exactly as I will show you now. As you can see the sea of cucumbers. And now pay attention. Here is a bush on which I removed all the suckers, but did not touch the cucumbers. Look how tall he has grown. You can also see that the flowers have already blossomed below, and soon the cucumbers will start to grow. And now I will demonstrate a bush of cucumbers with which I did not do this. Left all suckers. And see what's happening now. Cucumbers are still in a small stage. At the same time, suckers are actively growing from all the sinuses. I did not touch them. And so the bush itself is squat. It grows and develops slowly. He devotes all his strength to maturation in the formation of suckers. I want to once again draw your attention to the fact that I do not remove the fruits and ovaries themselves. Since you just need to remove all the stepchildren, you will immediately notice how the bush grows and how quickly the flowers begin to bloom on the cucumber, and the fruits ripen. And if you remove the cucumbers in the first internodes, then you definitely will not get an early harvest. Now see how to do it right. You need to be extremely careful not to cut off the young buds of cucumbers themselves. Take garden shears, they are with thin noses. And carefully cut off each sucker, leaving a small stump. Now one more important information. We carry out such a formulation exclusively on parthenocarpic cucumbers, namely F1 hybrids. On bee-pollinated, their common ones are called varietal cucumbers. Under no circumstances should this be done. On the contrary, you will deprive yourself of a great harvest. As on the varietal, there is both a male and a female flower. And basically all female flowers with a harvest are laid on suckers. I will talk about this soon, and will devote a separate video to this topic. If you are interested. That's all for me. If the information from this video was useful, be sure to like it. Don't forget to share it with your friends and also subscribe to my channel, so as not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day and see you next video.